Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. If you're looking at the price of XRP, you might not be that happy. But if you're looking at the big picture here, the price of XRP has been doing incredibly well. Also considering that we are in the middle of a huge lawsuit. This lawsuit which was put forward by the SEC at the end of December of last year, well, it has had a massive impact on the price. And rightfully so, because it wiped around $15 billion of the market cap of XRP. But still, the price of XRP is doing incredibly well if you're comparing it to last year, and it is currently at a very high price point. Now, I get a lot of comments asking me, hey, when is this Ripple lawsuit going to end? Well, there are two possibilities with this. The first one being a final verdict which is passed down from the judge, and second, a Ripple settlement. The first one, which is something that might happen eventually, will happen somewhere around September, October, and that is when the judge will give a verdict on XRP. It is a security or not, and what will happen, because that will be an absolutely huge thing. But in the last couple of weeks, we have seen a talk of a Ripple settlement. In fact, this was the talk since the start of this Ripple lawsuit, but in the last couple of weeks, this has taken a huge step forward. In fact, only a couple of days ago, there was a closed meeting of pretty much the top level of the SEC, and especially considering that this meeting had been delayed for a week, and they had brought in new lawyers which are specialized in settlements, the Ripple and XRP community exploded on the talks of, hey, there is a very strong chance that we are going to see a settlement or not. Well, in today's video, we will be looking at this Ripple settlement and when might that exactly happen. And obviously, there are some other interesting things regarding regarding the price of XRP. So let's get into today's video, and obviously let's start off with the price of XRP. Well, at the time of making this video, the price of XRP is trading at around $1.48, $1.49, up about 6% compared to yesterday and about 6% lower compared to 1 week ago. So the price of XRP is trading within that range. Now, if you're looking at the price of XRP today, well, the low point was at around $1.32, and as you can see, only in the last hour or so, we have seen a massive increase for the price of XRP. So things are starting to turn out pretty good. Now, if you're looking at the charts here, for the daily chart, the summary stands at a neutral position, moving averages at a buy, and technical indicators at a strong sell, and obviously the most important one, RSI, standing at a neutral position. In fact, for the last couple of days, we have seen that for the daily chart, the summary standing at a neutral position, and both moving averages at a buy and technical indicators at a strong sell. Now, if you're looking at the weekly position, the summary here is at a strong buy. Both the moving averages and technical indicators are suggesting a strong buy for XRP, and most importantly, the RSI at a buy position. And for the monthly position, the summary stands at a strong buy, and importantly, the RSI standing at a buy position. So things are looking pretty good for XRP, at least for the longer term in terms of weeks and months. The technical charts, they are saying that, hey, the price of XRP is expected to do good. But if you're looking for a daily point of view, well, it is at a neutral position. It's expecting that the price of XRP is going to trade within those ranges. Now, having said all of this, I again want to remind my subscribers that please take this as informational purposes only, and do not make a major financial decision just by looking at these charts, because in the past they have been wrong. And most importantly, do not forget the golden mantra of crypto investing, and that is only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, and that is the talk of the Ripple lawsuit settlement, something that we had been waiting for a very long time. In fact, a couple of days ago on May 13th, well, the SEC had a closed indoor meeting, and unfortunately that was not available for public. But as I mentioned previously, those lawyers, they were present, they are specialized in settlements, and that is why the community has been talking about this Ripple lawsuit settlement. In fact, well, if we are going to see a Ripple settlement, that might happen in the next 2 weeks. And if we do not hear about this Ripple lawsuit settlement in the next couple of weeks, in the next 2 weeks, well, the battle is going to go fully ahead, and Gary Gensler, the new SEC chairman, is going to fully lead this. In fact, this was also talked about in the Legal Briefs YouTube channel. I highly recommend you for you guys to go and check him out, which was very informative. But one of the really important dates that is coming up is on May 21st, and that is when the SEC and Ripple are going to meet in front of Judge Ned Burns. And that day, well, SEC is going to push for Ripple to get any advice that they had previously received, any legal advice regarding XRP being a security or not. And a lot of people are saying that, even myself, we are really looking for that day, because if we are going to see a settlement talk, well, May 21st is that day, and well, things are going to be very, very interesting for XRP in the coming weeks. See, the entire lawsuit hinges on XRP being a security or not, and this is the whole debate about. But one of the strongest defenses that Ripple has is the lack of fair due notice, in which that SEC was obligated, well, according to federal laws, that it is obligated to let the people know that they are committing an unlawful act, or they're committing a crime here. And that is what the Ripple has been saying for a very long time. Hey, for a very long time, the SEC didn't say anything about XRP, saying that, hey, it never said that XRP was a security. In fact, today we got an explosive statement from Ripple attorneys, and they have basically attacked SEC on this exact part. They say, indeed, until the SEC brought this action, the SEC itself did not consider XRP to be a security. In 2018, the SEC's Director of Corporate Finance publicly explained in a speech that the SEC republished on its website that neither Bitcoin nor Ether was a security. Prior to this lawsuit, regulators and market participants considered XRP to be similarly situated to Bitcoin and Ether as the three market-leading cryptocurrencies. Quoting UK regulator discussing widely known crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP as collective, XRP price was highly correlated with those of Bitcoin and Ether. See, here we are getting to know that even the SEC did not consider XRP to be a security as late as 2018, but somehow it changed after that, and SEC was like, hey, in 2020 XRP is a security. In fact, if you have been following the world of crypto, you know how closely related the price of XRP is to the price of a Bitcoin, because Bitcoin dictates pretty much all other cryptocurrencies out there, and XRP is one of that. And obviously XRP price is not affected by Ripple, the company. And if you've been following me for a very long time, then you absolutely know this is to be true. See, a lot of people don't seem to realize how big of a deal this is for Ripple, the lack of fair notice. Even if XRP is considered to be a security, but Ripple can claim the lack of fair notice, Ripple wins this case, and obviously it's absolutely amazing news for XRP. But the thing here is, that is why the SEC is really going after the biggest defense that Ripple currently has. And in my opinion, I think the judge is going to definitely side with Ripple in this notice. It's going to deny the motion to strike this lack of fair notice, which once we get to find out is going to be absolutely amazing. And that is why in the next couple of weeks are really crucial for Ripple. And also May 21st is going to be a pretty big day for Ripple and XRP, and obviously I will be updating you guys with all the latest information. Well guys, that was the video for today, and if you have not entered into my 500 XRP giveaway, I highly suggest you to do that, because it is literally free money which you can win. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, and third, leave a comment below. And if you have already done this in the past, you do not need to do it again. It's only for those new subscribers. Well guys, that was the video for today. Thank you for watching this, and again, thank you guys for so many incredible comments that I receive every single day. It really helps me to keep making these videos. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you next time.